Good morning, class. My name is Miss Lovely Jalober Brocal. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Malabon City. I currently studying a course of Bachelor of Science, Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. My hobby is reading a books and watching a movies. For today's discussion, we discuss the topic of order operation. What does order of operation means? If you have an expression where all the operations are the same, for example, only addition, only subtraction, only multiplication, and only division, then the correct way to solve it would be from left to right and right to left. The order of operation is the rule that tells the sequence in which we solve an expression with multiply operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Order operations using PEMDAS, and PEMDAS stands for P for parentheses, E for exponent, M for multiply, D for divide, A for add, S for subtract. We have a step-by-step that we need to follow. First is parentheses. Step 1, do operation inside grouping symbols such as parentheses, brackets, and braces, and operation separated by bars. Parentheses within parentheses are called nesty parentheses. Step 2 is exponent. Evaluate powers or exponent. Step 3, multiplication and division. Perform multiplication or division in order by reading the problem from left to right. Step 4 is addition and subtraction. Perform addition or subtraction in order by reading the problem from left to right. Order of operation Y. Can you imagine what it will be like if calculating were performed differently by various financial institutions? This difference if you do not follow the step-by-step of order operation. In the right side of the picture, you will see the expression solving by using order operation PEMDAS. And the left side is expression solving by from left to right. They are different because the right expression is the answer is 30 and the left side is 66. Here are some examples that you will clearly understanding the order operation using PEMDAS. Example number 1. Solve 2 plus 6 times open close parenthesis 4 plus 5 divided by 3 minus 5 using PEMDAS. The solution. Step 1, parenthesis. 2 plus 6 times open close parenthesis 4 plus 5 divided by 3 minus 5 is equal to 2 plus 6 times 9 divided by 3 minus 5. Kaya nakuha yung 9 kasi yung doon sa parenthesis is meron siyang 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Step 2, multiplication. 2 plus 6 times 9 divided by 3 minus 5 is equal to 5 plus 54 divided by 3 minus 5. Kaya naman nakuha yung 54 is times yung 6 times 9 is equal to 54. Step 3, division. 2 plus 54 divided by 3 minus 5 is equal to 2 plus 18 minus 5. Kaya naman nakuha yung 54 kasi kaya naman nakuha yung 18 kasi dinivide yung 3 sa 54. Step 4, addition. 2 plus 18 minus 5 is equal to 20 minus 5. Kaya naman nakuha yung 20 kasi inad yung 2 plus 18. Step 5 is subtraction. 20 minus 5 is equal to 20. Kaya naman nakuha yung, kaya naman nakuha yung 15 kasi 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. The answer of, example number 1 is 15. Example number 2, para mas lalo yung maintindihan yung order operation. Example number 2, solve 4 minus 5 divided by open close parenthesis 8 minus 3 times 2 plus 5 using PEMDAS. The solution, step 1, parenthesis 4 minus 5 divided by 8 minus 3 times 2 plus 5 is equal to 4 minus 5 divided by 5 times 2 plus 5. Kaya naman nakuha yung 5 kasi yun dun sa parenthesis is merong 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Step 2, division. 4 minus 5 divided by 5 times 2 plus 5 is equal to 4 minus 1 times 2 plus 5. Kaya naman nakuha yung negative 1 kasi dahil dun sa negative 5 divided by 1 is equal to negative 1. Step 3, multiplication. 4 minus 1 times 2 plus 5 is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 5. Kaya naman nakuha yung negative 2 dun sa 4 minus 5, 2 plus 5 is dahil dun sa negative 1 times 2 is equal to 2, negative 2. Step 4, subtraction. 4 minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 2 plus 5. Kaya naman nakuha yung 2 is minus yung 2 sa 4 is equal to 2. Step 5, addition. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Kaya naman nakuha yung 7 kasi inline yung 2 plus 5. And the answer of example number 2 is equal to 7. Next, example number 3, solve 100 divided by open close parenthesis 6 plus 7 times 2 minus 5 using PEMDAS. The solution. Step 1, multiplication inside parenthesis. 100 divided by 6 plus 7 times 2 minus 5 is equal to 100 divided by close open parenthesis 6 plus 14 minus 5. Kaya naman nakuha yung 14 kasi tinimes yung 7 times 2 dun sa parenthesis. Step 2, addition inside parenthesis. 100 divided by 6, I open close parenthesis, 6 plus 14 minus 5 is equal to 100 divided by 20 minus 5. Kaya naman nakuha yung 20 dun sa 100 divided by 20 minus 5 is kasi sa parenthesis, meron pang addition which is 6 plus 14. Step 3, division. 100 divided by 20 minus 5 is equal to 5 minus 5. Kaya naman nakuha yung 5, positive 5 kasi yung 20 dinivide sa 100. Step 4, subtraction. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Kaya naman nakuha yung 0 kasi 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Yung example number 3, the answer is equal to 0. We have a activity and you will try to solve the problem 1, 2, 3, and I will give it to you 10 minutes to answer that. If you understand the order of operation. Time's up. 10 minutes is over. The answer of number 1, this is the solution of number 1. Open close parenthesis 3 times 5 squared divided by 5 minus open close parenthesis 16 minus 10 is equal to open close parenthesis 3 times 21 divided by 5 minus 16 minus 10. Kaya naman nakuha yung 25 dahil dun sa 5 squared which is 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Next is 75 divide 5 minus 6. Kaya naman nakuha yung 75 is 3 times yung 3 sa 25 which is 3 times 25 is equal to 75. Equal to 15 minus 6. Kaya naman nakuha yung 15 kasi yung 5 divide sa 75 is equal to 15. And yung natitira naman na, kaya naman may 6 is siya na lang yung natitira do sa second parenthesis. And 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. And the answer of number 1 activity is equal to 9. Number 2, 9 minus 24 divided by 8 times 2 plus 3 is equal. Dito naman sa number 2, walang parenthesis. Kaya unahin natin yung division. 9 minus 3 times 2 plus 3. Kaya naman nagkaroon ng kaya nakuha yung negative 3 kasi dinivide yung 8 sa negative 24 which is equal to negative 3. Next is 9 minus 6 plus 3. Kaya naman nakuha yung negative 6 dahil sa negative 3 times 2 is equal to negative 6. Next is 3 plus 3. Kaya naman nakuha yung 3 kasi dahil sa 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. And yung positive 3 naman is siya na lang natitira. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and then the answer of number 2 activity is equal to positive 6. Number 3 is 4 plus open close parenthesis 5 times 3 squared plus 2 is equal to 4 plus open close parenthesis 5 times 9 plus 2. Kaya naman nakuha yung 9 sa 5 times 9 plus 2 kasi dahil sa 3 squared, which is 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Next is 4 plus open close parenthesis 45 plus 2 is equal to, kaya naman nakuha yung 45 dahil sa 5 times 9 sa parenthesis is equal to 45. Next is 4 plus 47. Kaya naman nakuha yung 47 kasi inad yung 45 plus 2 is equal to 47. 4 plus 47 is equal to 51. And the answer of number 3 activity is 51. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for listening.